This is day life. Guagua. The masses stopped some trailer loads of palliative, and they are carrying everybody. All citizens they are carrying rice, carrying everything. They are carrying everything. There's a rampage here. The community. It's a rampage. You can see where we are parked. Bros, come here. Government. Now so. Yes. Yeah, so what is happening this morning?
Okay, we are dying of hunger.
Yes.
So we got to sneak in and find what to eat.
That's right.
Voting Tinubu, we don't know that you are regretting. That's why. We are not scared of this.
Is this a government palliative?
This is government palliative.
All right.
This is government palliative. Everything is being. This is corn. This 100 days I don't know roti. See, I don't know roti finish. See,
they just keep and seize.
Keep and seize roti, and we are dying.
Hungry, they kill people.
Yes.
That's right. Both women, men, children, everybody. Food prices is happening.